Welcome. Myself Anil Kumar Chaurasia. Here I am going to explain how CWC users can appraise the proposal which is submitted for flood control. It is clear that submission of project contains so many parameters: national project, externally assisted, major, median. Based on that, a project goes to a officer, particular officer, not to all, depend on workflow defined in the system. So it will be visible the inbox of that particular user. Now login, I am just logging through a DS card because a project was submitted for externally assisted. So according to workflow, it will go to the DS card login. Now I am going to login DS card. As it is clear that CWC users are internal, so click on internal user. A screen will appear. Here you will have to log in. Here I am doing login with the login of the DS code. Just login. It is logged in the system. Now you can see here inbox, dashboard, report, search and presentation. Whatever the proposal is received will be visible in box of that. In inbox there are three types: irrigation, multipurpose, flood control and flood control Ganga basin. Here I am going to explain whenever the proposal related to flood control is submitted. So it will the officer will have to go inbox and flood control. You can see it here. There is inbox, DPR2, means these two proposal with this DS code. As it is clear from there is 4 stages: appraisal, examine, committee and finalize. Whenever the proposal is submitted, it comes to the appraisal and it traverses in workflow till the appraisal is done by the nodal officer. After that it comes to committee. During the appraisal it is marked for examine. It will show the proposal here in this stage. After completing the appraisal and in committee related work, it will come to the finalize, where user can give the approval. Yes, it's okay. Now we go to demonstrate how a appraisal work is done here in flood. Now one project is submitted, June flood demo here. Now this user can see the project detail, proposal detail, whatever attachment is submitted by the project authority, whatever the chapter subchapter submitted. Now it is clear that it is with this user. Now this user can take action. In process, just forward. In process means keep with himself. Just forward it. It will display chief engineer PPO. Save. This has gone to the chief engineer PPO. Now I am coming in the login on sorry. You can see it here. One it has been reduced to 1 because you have sent one proposal to chief engineer PPO here. It is not with you now. It has gone to the chief engineer PPO. It will be visible in the inbox of chief engineer PPO. Okay. Now I am going to log in with chief engineer PPO login. come on come in the inbox and flood control. You can see here there is one proposal inbox. This is for the appraisal. You can see it here, one in red color, means it is with you and you have to take action. This user can see also the project, can see also the proposals, and can take action. Here just forward. Return. Suppose DS code has sent you by mistake, then you can return it to DS code by using the option return. Means return means you are just returning to the previous officer, because you can give reason that you have sent me wrong, it is return, then that person can send to other officer. Now I am doing forwarding and it is going to director externally assisted. Save. Now it is clear that it has moved to the EADT, director externally assisted. Now I am going to log in with that login. Come in inbox. Just in inbox, click flood control. You can see it here, there is a project June flood demo. Now that officer can see the project from here and proposal detail from here and can take action. These all thing action forward to whom? Chief engineer FMO. These all things has been defined in workflow. Now it has gone to chief engineer FMO. Now we are in the logging of chief engineer. Come to inbox and flood control. Here you can see that June flood demo is there. For seeing the project, click on this link, and for seeing the proposal, click on proposal link. Now this user can take action. Forward to whom? Director FM1, director FMP. Save. It is showing the list. Depend upon your workflow, whatever has been defined in the system. Now it has gone to director FM1. Just log in. Go to inbox and come to flood in control. Now you can see it here, there is a proposal. Now this officer can take action. Now forward. It is auto forwarding, means it is defined where it will go. Now it has been forwarded to Lucknow depending upon the state. CGBO Lucknow. That is region office. In the same way, go to inbox, come to flood control. You can see it here. June flood demo is here in inbox. Now the user can take action. Now forward. Now it has come to the regional offices. It is forward to Director MNA Lucknow. Okay, this has been forwarded to Director MNA Lucknow. Okay. I am going to log in with that user. I have done login. Come to inbox and flood control. Now June flood demo project is here. You can this user can see the project detail also, project proposal also. Now can take action. You can see here there are two more options: regional appraisal, regional call presentation. Two more option means this user has two more right in comparison to other. Here this user can do regional level appraisal and regional level call presentation. If this user want to call presentation, then he will have to define here and give date, and regional level appraisal is here done. Now I am just doing it regional level appraisal. You can see it here: zero date and ID, communication request, review meeting detail. Here you will have to fill. Now this user can do communication with the project authority. Suppose if there is any clarification required from the project authority, then this user can start communication. Okay, I want a clarification at regional level. Just if your attachment is here, you can put attachment. Now submit it. Now this will be visible to the project authority login till you close the communication. If you close the communication, it will get stopped to see in the login of project authority against that proposal. Now the person can see, the project authority can see and give its reply. Now click on next. Review meeting details. You can put review meeting details here. You can upload chapter wise, upload whatever you have finalized. Close. This is the regional level. Next. Is there any attachment? You can visit report extra attachment. Here you have seen that in this workflow at regional level there is no provision to mark to specialized director for examine. So there is no right given at region office level. This right is given to headquarter at during the appraisal. Now you will see the close it. Here this proposal is at regional level, so nodal officer is doing at regional level appraisal. It cannot be done in one day, it may take some time, so it is still with you till you take action. Okay, if you take action then it will go out, you cannot edit it. It is still with you. You come on another day, you just log in, come to inbox and come to flood. It is still in your inbox. Now if you have some left work in regional appraisal, then click it, go next. You can see it here that a reply has been given by the user. Now you can close it, start communication, close it. If you don't close it, it will always be visible in the login of the project authority. Now close it. Yes, now it will not be visible in the login of project authority. Suppose you have done all the appraisal work here. Now you want to forward it further, then you will have to click a ready to submit button. This button is introduced here to click it manually, because if you forward by taking action and you forget something, then it will go out. So we have put in this button here. You have to click it manually and you will have to tell the system that yes, I am ready to take action. Then after that you can take action. Now I am clicking here ready to submit. Yes, okay. Now you can see it here, there is yes. Now you can take action. Close it and take action. Forward it. Chief Engineer FMO, headquarter. Okay. Please fill call presentation at region before. Okay. It is saying that there is some left. Here presentation call. You just say no. Save it. There is no required presentation. Now you come here and take action. Now it has moved to the Chief Engineer FMO. Control C. Here regional level appraisal has been completed and it has been forwarded to Chief Engineer FMO. Now I am going to log in with the logout. just inbox, flood control. One can see here June flood demo. Now this user can take action or can see proposal history. Proposal history option is available with all user. You can see it here by click. Whatever the history is here and whatever had been done in a region level. Okay. After that, this is the status in readable format. Now this user can take action, forward FM1 director. Controls. Now logging with this user. After getting logged in, inbox, flood control. Now it is visible here again. Now it is showing two entry because it has maintained the history. It shows that this user has forwarded chief engineer UGBO. Now this proposal has been come to chief engineer FMO to this user again for appraisal, HQ appraisal. Now this user can appraisal, can call presentation and add take action. Now here I am going to call a presentation. Click yes and full presentation. Okay, save. Now give date. Date. And this is the list of internal user you can call to attend presentation. Just click add. You can add more than one. Save. You have given a date to the project authority to come here. Here it is clear that send email to internal user, send email to project authority. Here you can click on it and it will send the email alerts to internal user as well as to external user. It automatically generates alert, but you can send manually it also. In the same time you can do appraisal work. Yes, it is okay. Now next, you can in the same way you can say if you want any clarification, they can you also start communication as I have explained the communication and its reply in the regional level. This is the same, so I am not going to here explain communication. Just suppose you do some work and left it in between, come on another day, login in the system, just come here inbox, flood control. Here you can say that you have worked something, SAD is there, SAD is there, means you have worked something, it is not blank. Now suppose that person comes and give presentation. Okay, click here edit, Presentation attended, yes. Okay, now just save it. Close. You can see here that you have to conclude it. Suppose this person, the project authority didn't come on this date, then you will have to feel that was not able to uh, come here. Now give another date. You conclude it and give other date. It will become an history. Means you cannot change it here. Now here appraisal at a headquarter level. Next, okay. Now you can generate the project ID here and start zero date. Now next, start communication. If you want any clarification from the project authority, they can use this feature. If not, then no need. I have already explained it in regional level appraisal. This is same. Next, review meeting detail. If you want to put some information, you can put it here. Forwarding for examination. As this feature was not available at regional level, so this feature is available at HQ during appraisal. This can be marked to user. Director Hydrology South. Here I am marking to Director Hydrology for aspect hydrology. Just click add. Just save. Now it shows that this proposal has been forwarded to the Director Hydrology South for examination of hydrology aspect. Okay. Now this proposal will be visible in the login of this user. Silent feature part means now the further next screen, whatever the parameter will be approved by your headquarter will be entered here. Before that we will see that it has been marked to the hydrology, how hydrology person will work or examine. Log out, just log out, control P. In the same way, come to inbox, come to flood control. This was marked for examine to hydrology, so it will be appear in examine here, and there you can see that there is one just beside DPR. Click it. Now Jute flood demo is in box of hydrology. Can see the project detail by click here. Can see the project proposal here, and this there is HQ examine. Now this person can do examine. You can accept or you can start communication. You can put acceptance subchapter extra. Now if you log in further, come to inbox, come to DPR, you can see SAD means you have worked here something. Now click it. Next, now you can give acceptance. Next, I just want to explain here, there is start communication feature also. Suppose examine officer want any clarification from project authority, they can also start communication. It will be visible to the project authority and project authority will be able to give its reply. I am not going to explain here, it has been explained in the regional appraisal. Now next, you will have to put attachment in acceptance. Now as I have said that ready to submit button is here, you have to click intensely before taking action. Now my examination is complete. I am clicking here, yes, so it is ready. Now you can take action. Yes, examine. It has been examined. Now come to the login of nodal officer. Come to inbox, come to flood. This is June flood, and go to HQ appraisal. Next, now you can see it here, this has been examined. You can see whatever the communication is done throughout the system, it is here. What is the proposal status? Now your appraiser will have to suppose to complete, then you have to give approved parameter. Now there is a silent feature. This was filled by the applicant. It is showing here whatever the filled by applicant. Now in the same way you can delete or modify the. If you are satisfied, then click next. Now the chapter wise attachment. Whatever the chapter is finalized with your department should be uploaded here, because this chapter will be used for further. If you search after 10 years, this chapter will be visible as a finalized chapter. You will have to fill all the things. For demo, I am lefting here. Now you can see that if your all appraisal work has complete, then you have to click ready to submit button. Yes, ready to submit. Click on ready to submit. Okay. Now you can take action. Now it has been gone to PA North account. Here come in flood control. You can see it in committee stage. June flood demo is here, and committee related information can be put it here. Committee detail. Yes, meeting number, meeting date. It is accepted. Here one can put attachment related to this also. Presentation, minutes of meeting, meeting notes, etc. Now you will have to click ready to submit button to take action further. Okay. Take action. Forwarding to self. It is showing that it is forwarding to self. It's okay. No need to change login. It has come to finalize stage here. Just click DPR finalize stage. Choose the demo is here and take action. Yes, there is option approve, reject in process. You can approve it and you will reject it. Suppose you approve it. Save. In finalize, if you approve it, then it is finally approved, and project authority will got a message that your proposal has been accepted. uh, an email will be also generated, but during the whole workflow you will find that internal user will also receive that this project has been forwarded to you, this is proposal has been forwarded to you for exam in a reply, a communication has been started, its reply has been come. Various type of email alerts is generated at time to time. Now here dashboard is this. You can see dashboard. Whatever the active projects are there. Reports is there. Search facility is there. Based on parameter you can search the projects. Presentation meeting. Internal officer can find the time for which one is called for the attending the presentation. Now this thing all about the internal user module. Here I have explained if a flood control proposal is submitted, how the CWC user can appraise it in workflow. For security reason, when you left the system, click on log out. Thank you.